Accept greetings from the foot of Mount Cameroon. I am at one of our training facilities in Boya, Southwest Cameroon, where non-wood forest products are transformed into oils, cosmetics, therapeutic molecules, craft objects, and many more. These goods you see were harvested from nearby forests. They have very little monetary value in their natural form, but once transformed, they are sold at different prices locally and even internationally. There are hundreds of such in our forests, and my job is to train women and youth to transform them into different desirable products, the aim of which is to increase profit margins and inspire interest in forest conservation. My name is Limbi Blessing Tata. I am from Cameroon, and I train local people in Cameroon to transform non-wood forest products into semi-finished and finished goods.